फाइट हुआ था इंग्लिश में हमारा मेंबर इन गोया ही हैज रिटन in Ras, like this way. Once you see the face, you'll be able to see that they are very real, and the expression that they're going to fight. You know, that is what we're trying to show in this art. The other statues you see, they are more simple, standing, sitting, but here they are in action. So I give the credit to the artist. Yes.
Perfect.
बनाएगा हम लोग ये तो शुरुआत है अभी हम लोग कर रहे हैं किताब भी अभी निकल रहा है फिल्मों का एक अवेयरनेस कर रहे हैं बाहर से लोग आने से भी let them see also because I have these things and the sword and all that. Then we made the props. Then our artist copied that, we made sketches. Then I went through the sketches to see which one is good. Then after that we did. So we did a lot of planning. So that is why you see the face, the expression.
Real, like real.
In Agartala, same one. They were the ones to bring it. That's why we mentioned also. They captured a catch now this time. There was no such differentiation. Everybody was a Tripuri only. That's why we have given the name and those things. राइटिंग सब हमने लिख के दिया है ये साइड को हाँ वो तो महाराजा ट्रेन इसके बीच में हुआ था
आज से कम 600 साल पहले 600
स्टैचू के लिए हम लोग ने जो जेन्युइन चीज़ है वो यूज़ करके हम लोग ने ये बनवाया यस मच मोर नाउ वी आर द ऑपोजिट वो प्रोग्राम तो होगा था हम का यस Then the battles, Rakajak, Rekosom. So it's being a young boy he's doing, I'm happy and I want others also to do the same. So I will announce your book also.
Thank you, boss.
Oh, good. Oh, yes. You don't recognize me. You the cheated. You cheated me, no? Book on Maharaja Dhanya on Maharaja's history and the battles with the Sultan Hussain Shah. It's a very relevant book about the history of that particular period. Today we are going to inaugurate the statues of Rai Kachak and Rai Kosom, who were the brave generals of Maharaja Dhanya Manekya. So this book has the history about that period, not only about Maharaja Dhanya Manekya, but also of Rai Kachak and Rai Kosom. And it's available on Flipkart and Amazon. So this is the first copy. So if you wish, you can have a look also and please purchase the book because we need to encourage our authors, our young people to come up with such books and to have an interest and do research on Tripura's history. So Boyar is also a member of the organization that I am the convener or the head of. It's called Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage, INTAC. I'm in charge of Tripura. So he along with Umang Teparma, we're all working along with other students also and other people. Mr. Mewar also, I want to wear it now, he also is a member. So likewise, we try to do seminars, programs, exhibitions, writing of books. We published the souvenirs on Maharaja Bir Vikram. In fact, we were the first to initiate and celebrate his first birth anniversary. So we've been doing a lot of these things, and this book in particular is being released, and we are happy, but we'll be showing you the book later on. We are trying to bring out 2 books which are going to be introduced in the curriculum of our ADC area. One book is in Kokborok and one is in English. So these will be for students. That's a general history of the Manike dynasty, along with general knowledge kind of questions and answers. And it'll be very interesting and a good start. Today, as we are facing problems, as you all know, regarding Kokborok language, we've had recently the strike and other problems. So this is the right time to give importance to our language. So as a part of this, the TTADC has assigned us with this work to bring out publications in Kokborok, as well as, of course, we're doing it in English for general awareness and understanding, and so that it is there for the benefit of all our community and for the state and for other people also who are interested in the history of Tripura.